Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I am assuming that you're thinking about joining LiveGood, or maybe you never heard of LiveGood and you just saw the money in the title. So you're like, interesting. Let me click on this, right? Either way, you are watching the right video. But if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is a new affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunity that is blowing up right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single week, and there's no signs of it stopping. Now, LiveGood currently is in the health and wellness industry. They basically have products, organic proteins, vitamins, amino acids, collagen product is on the way, all kinds of good stuff in the health and wellness. But something that you need to keep in mind, all right, you need to keep in mind, LiveGood is planning on expanding and offering a lot more products in the future. So this is the perfect damn time to get started with LiveGood. Now, all right, I've been a member of LiveGood for a few months now and I'm loving it. I've actually made a little money so far, right? And excited to make a lot more. But if you are somebody who is maybe, nervous about joining because you don't know, if you can earn with it, or maybe you're somebody who just need a little motivation, you're not sure if this is for you, like, hear these stories that I'm about to share with you, these success stories that LiveGood has already. Now, keep in mind, I'm doing this video in May of 2023, right? The company has only been active, right, for affiliates and network marketing, whatever, since December of 2022. So what's that? January, February, March, April, May. So the company only really been around 5 months, right? And there's many success stories already, but I want to talk about 3 that I know of that is incredible. And these 3 stories motivate me to keep on going and to keep on pushing and to be successful with LiveGood. Now, the first story, somebody who's actually on my team, right? Team Diamond. Her name is Kelly, and she was a school teacher when she started LiveGood like 4 or 5 months ago, right? She was a school teacher, and she would just promote LiveGood. She would always do videos, like in the mornings before she had to go into work, and she would do videos on her lunch break. She would do videos when she got home. Let me take that back. She would watch webinars on her lunch break, right? LiveGood webinars, and then come home and do videos. She got business cards about LiveGood. She got those out there, and she just really grinded, right? So little over 4 months after being a LiveGood member, she was able, all right, hear what I'm saying, she was able to quit her full-time teaching job and do LiveGood full-time. Facts. This is real because I'm in the Facebook private group with her, right? I got a chance to, congratulate her, when she posted that she officially left her full-time teaching job, right? She done. She ain't going back. She done, all right? So that right there, super inspiring, super motivating. Now, another story, which is a little sad, but still motivating. Another guy involved with LiveGood, his name is Christopher, and he was doing really, really well with LiveGood, right? And something happened. I don't know, he got ill, he got sick. Something came up where he was in the hospital for 2 months. He's still in the hospital as I'm recording this video right now. Hopefully, he'll be out soon. I do believe he's getting better. He's feeling a lot better, but he's still in hospital. But for 2 months, he's been in there so far. And he is already making thousands of dollars a month from LiveGood. All right, now keep in mind, LiveGood only been doing this for 5 months. They only been active 5 months, right? And this dude has already built up a monthly income in the thousands. All right, so think about that. He was actually getting paid as he was laid up in the hospital. He was still getting money coming into his account. Like, if that is not like mind-blowing, if that's not motivating, then I don't know what is. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, but this third success story, I ain't gonna lie, this really get me hyped up. You know what I'm saying? When I hear like the numbers that this guy's bringing in and his backstory, which is just crazy. All right, so one of the leaders of LiveGood, his name is Tim, right? Make a long story short, this dude was homeless, right? This dude was homeless when he joined LiveGood. And I know it sounds like, oh, that's just some made up story. No, like I've been on these webinars with this dude. I've been listening to this dude. He's a real dude. He's a real success story. But this dude, if not going over or very close, he had made over $100,000 in the last month with LiveGood. Now, disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? Disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? Nobody's saying you can make this, you know, you gotta say that with YouTube, but I'm telling you what he made, right? Which is incredible, right? You know, a lot of people probably won't hit where he hit, but I think a lot of people can get close. You know what I'm saying? If you put that work in, if you really focus in, $100,000 in 1 month, right? It's just like crazy. Now this dude, I don't want to say he ain't nothing special. I mean, I guess he's special, but like all he does is grind. All he do is push LiveGood. That's all he talk about, right? He's not involved with no other companies. He ain't talking about no other systems. He's just like, yo, get people to the LiveGood tour. That's all he do. That's all he do is drive people to his LiveGood link. That's it, right? So that right there is super motivating to see that these people are pretty much, you know, keeping it simple, right? And they're making real money with this opportunity. And the crazy thing is, LiveGood is so brand new, right? Like, so I encourage you, if you're watching this and you to the point of this video and you got a little bit of, you know, drive and passion, determination, you want to jump on LiveGood, right? I'm sticking with it, and I'm sticking with it for the long haul. So if you do join LiveGood, right? If you're motivated and you're inspired, please come into it knowing that this company has huge plans in the next few months and the next few years, all right? So if you come in, tell yourself, I'm coming in for the long haul, right? It's only $10 a month. That's it, to stay active. And these people, the Tim paying $10 a month, bringing in almost 100 grand, right? The Kelly, she's paying $10 a month, right? $10 a month, and she's making thousands of dollars. Christopher, paying $10 a month, making thousands of dollars after only being a member for 5 months, right? So the moral of the story is, if you want to get down with LiveGood, don't hesitate, jump in. But if you want to make that money, it's out there, but you just got to come in and push, grind. Do not be afraid to promote this opportunity. Jump in and take action. It's that simple. You can get started right now by clicking that first link in the description, and I cannot wait to see you on the team.